Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about the replace method in string. So let's just get to it. So I have a text here. Actually, before we do it, let's read. We're learning more about documentation, right? So let's pull it up. So here we go. So let's look at the first word that's important, return. So it's going to create something. It's not going to change it in location. So return, create. Create a copy. And with all occurrences of substring, old replaced by new, and then an optional argument. So all right, you're going to put the string, substring, then what you want to replace it with, then the optional argument count. So we have to give 2, we can give 3. So now that we've read this, let's do it. So I picked this line has I in it a lot. What we're going to do is we're going to replace all occurrences of I, the I character, with, let's do it with a star. So, alright. Now, again, return a copy. So it's not going to do it in place. We need to create a copy. So we need to create a new variable. So text dot replace. Now, old item with new. So what do we want to replace first? What do we want to replace it with? So, all right. And we want to replace it with an asterisk or a star. And let's just make sure we can see this. There we go. Let me close this out. Then print my word. New. Alright, let's see how we did. So, okay. It captured all of, there's no more I. Now let's look at the optional argument. So let's say 5. So, okay, there's 5 I's. So let's just say 1. We're going to replace just 1. Guess what? The first I is replaced. Now this does not have an issue with more than, it will not fail. If it's more, if you want to replace more than actually exists, it's not a problem. So just thought this was a very awesome method that we have not gotten to for a string variable. So there we go. There's replace. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we do have videos coming out every single day. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.